What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So basically, every Friday I try to look at BABA and NEO, and yesterday I completely forgot. It slipped my mind because MicroStrategy has been on the radar. So let's take a look at BABA and NEO today instead of Friday. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Well, it looks like price since last week Friday still continues to decline towards the lower $80 level. As mentioned before, I was looking for that $86 level. That was the breakout point. And it looks like price just continued to push through it, and it acted like that level did not even exist. So that's not a good sign, right? We saw a very large move up higher, no follow through by the bulls, and then price started reversing back down. So it looks like the second leg is about to be complete. This is all one large drop right here, consolidation. So this was the start of the second drop, and it's targeting right around the 78.80. So there's still lower prices left to be reached by the bears, and also probably the lower 70s as well, which is the lower side of the yellow range. So overall, still very bearish. Prices below this trend line. We have a measure move target at lower levels. We have the range lows still at lower levels. Whenever price is riding along the EMA like this, sometimes, obviously, when price gets overextended and it gets too far from the EMA, it will pull back to it, just like over here. But when it's riding along the EMA, like parallel to it, that means it's a strong trend, right? It means that we're not going to just see that snapback take place. As of right now, like it's far away from the EMA, but it has been riding along the EMA parallel to it for a while. So that tells me that we can continue at this pace that we're currently seeing. So overall, it's still bearish looking on the daily chart. So basically, traders are going to be looking for shorts, right? Any pullback would be a shorting opportunity for more downside, unless the market participants see something exaggerated towards the upside. They're going to be looking for shorts for the downside, because that's where the big players are headed, right? They're headed towards the downside. That's where the money is flowing. It's flowing in on the short side, and there's a lot of aggressive sellers. The aggressive sellers are stronger than the aggressive buyers, and they're able to drop down the price. So overall, BABA is looking bearish. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart, and you can see that every week for the past, let's say that's 7 weeks since early October, has been red. So clearly, there's a strong bearish momentum in play. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to see that, right? It's clearly bears are in control of the market. Before it was bulls, right? So before it was bulls, now it's the bears. When price gets too overextended in one direction, a lot of times if it reverses strongly, it's going to take back a lot of that gain. Just like over here, right? This happens all the time throughout the markets. Just like over here, it's the same pattern as over here. So once you see it, you can't unsee it. Same thing right over here, even towards the downside. Drop really quick, recovered really quick. Pumped up really quick, dump really quick. Pumped up really quick, dump really quick. So, I mean, these patterns repeat. Even over here, there's a smaller one right here. Pumped up really quick, drop really quick. So, BABA has these volatile swings. So that's the kind of the personality of this stock for the past couple of years now. It's just range bound and with these big swings up and down. So it's headed towards the lower side of the range at the lower 70s. And then maybe it'll retest the all-time lows. Who knows, right? It might break the lows of the range and reach the $63 level. We'll have to wait and see. But overall, the chart is looking bearish. I don't have a lot of bullish things to say. You could say that there's this slight incline going on, but that's at lower prices as well. So we'll see what happens from there. So overall, that's all I have for BABA on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday, possibly Saturday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.